Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Dota 2 and navigating to your inventory. This puts the item front and center. Once done, pick the specific cosmetic or weapon that accepts stickers, because not all items do. Make sure the sticker itself is in your account or on the Steam market. You need ownership to apply it. You do this now so the next steps are direct. Having the item and sticker ready avoids interruptions and speeds up placement. You click the item and select Customize or Apply Sticker. This opens the preview canvas where changes are live. Then drag and drop the sticker onto the surface you want. Pay attention to seams and edges because placement affects visibility in-game. Next, use rotation and scale sliders to fine-tune orientation and size. Small changes can dramatically improve readability. Make sure to check how it looks from multiple camera angles so the sticker reads well during actual play. You finish by confirming or saving the applied sticker, then equip the item and inspect it in a practice match or hero preview to confirm placement. If the sticker doesn't appear, double-check that the item actually supports stickers and that you own the sticker. Market listings can be purchased but not applied until transferred. Finally, if errors persist, contact Steam support with Transaction ID. They can resolve ownership or application failures so you can complete the cosmetic update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.